Simplify your workflow mastering GPT-4, Notion, and Slack in one tool. ChatGPT is absolutely phenomenal, but 90% of people will never use GPT-4 or Notion or Slack because they're too complicated. I'll show you how to use all three in one tool. Meet at Task.a, power of ChatGPT, Notion, and Slack in one. Key features: writing assistant, custom AI agents, chat with documents, AI workflow generators, AI automation, custom AI agent commands in toolbar, taskada.com. 1. Writing assistant, brainstorm, outline, and map out anything for your tasks and notes. Set personas and tones, and adapt to any specialized experts and roles. 2. Custom AI agents, Task.ai, functions as your second brain. You can easily create AI agents, train with multiple sources, choose from over 35 agent templates, and more. 3. Share custom AI agents. Share custom AI agents easily across workspaces, copy, manage, and publish with a private share link. Explore new templates for diverse applications. 4. A chat with documents. Now, your file attachments can communicate too. Upload PDFs and CSVs, ask questions, receive summaries, get valuable insights, all in one place. 5. AI workflow generator. Structure all kinds of projects, both business and personal, including project proposals and presentations, articles, blog posts and essays, social media posts and captions, emails and sales pitches, and more. 6. AI media files manager. Manage your files in a whole new way. Access all your uploaded media easily and chat with them for quick insights. 7. AI automation. Supercharge your workflows with AI automation, powered by GPT-4 Turbo. Connect Task.ai with your favorite tools, from Slack and Gmail to Typeform and WordPress, and watch as everything gets orchestrated seamlessly. Reply with Automate for early access. 8. Custom AI agent commands in toolbar. Task.ai just got smarter. Execute your AI commands for any single task using the add-on menu, or select several tasks and apply AI commands all at once with the new multi-select toolbar.